I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Thailand. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
All right, guys, welcome to another Sunday Fun Day. Welcome to Dudley Do Right. I am your boy, Ellis Dudley, where we come to you every Sunday, and we come to you every Sunday live at 8 p.m. to bring what's going on with me and what's going on in the world. I'm the owner and founder of Dudley Accounting Services, and we strive our best to help those out there through these unfortunate times. So number one thing that we kind of try to motivate people to do is be energized and to be go-getters and to actually do with their lives. Today is August 2nd, guys. Today is August 2nd. What are you doing with your lives? Who are you waiting on to do your thing and be you? It's a question we ask every week, and I charge you to think about it. You might be a little bit skeptical about getting on camera or people and just really being yourself. You might not know what to say, or you might not know what to do, but just do it. You know, I might stumble. Like every Sunday, this has been a motivation for me to get on here and share, you know, some things that are going on with me and in my life and how I'm building my business with you guys. So I hope I can be of value to you guys. So being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality today. Time is the #1 currency. What are you doing with your time? We're getting older and older every day, guys. I mean, today is August the 2nd, 2020. Like, I'm sitting here looking at my screen, just really eager, ready to share my screen and share these things with you guys. I challenge you guys to do more. If you want to start that business, start that business. If you want to go after that girl, go after that girl. If you want to go after that man, go after that man. Like, start living your life at this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and transition here to my screen here. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys. Now that I got my fancy dancy Zoom, I was born in the 1990s, so I feel like Skype was appropriate back then, but now everything's been switched over to using Zoom. So I've been getting accustomed to it. So let's see. I've been getting accustomed to it, guys, you know. So I want you guys to see. Let me exit out of here. I want you guys to see my screen. As soon as my old butt can figure out how to share it. All right. There we go. While that's sharing, hope you guys can see my screen, but every week I try to bring you guys value. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the description below. I love to engage with you guys, and let me know if the stuff I'm talking about is too boring, or the stuff that I'm talking about you wanted me to go into detail with. You know, just leave them in the comment. I love the interaction. I love the audience that I'm getting. You know, we were able to help several people out the last couple of weeks just by me creating this YouTube channel and being on here. Talking to you guys. So this is my Instagram account, guys. If you guys can see, I don't know what they're doing with TikTok now. So I am kind of like trying to transition to TikTok. But so here's my Instagram. It's Dudley Do Right 365. So look me up. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And I had a reel I kind of wanted to show you guys on the benefits of being in business for yourself versus just being an ordinary person receiving a paycheck every year. I thought this was really cool, so I wanted to share it with you guys.
All right, guys, so today we are talking about tax deductions and mainly the difference between a individual making $50K and a business owner making $50K. So the individual here is just going to pay 25% in taxes, approximately $12,500 in taxes. Now the business owner making 50K has all of these expenses that they can deduct from their tax liability. So the MacBook that they already needed, the camera they got for their business, the mileage they put on their car for business purposes, and a bunch of other deductions, including a little sales pitch here, my course if you're interested. They're going to pay this same 25% tax rate, but because they deducted this, the taxes they're going to pay is actually only $9,803 versus $12,500. Again, they're both making 50K. So you can see that being a business owner definitely has some perks. You have to do a lot of work. You have to build your business, but there are definitely rewards to doing that. And this is definitely not tax or legal advice for entertainment purposes.
Right, because a lot of people, the trending topic of today's time is the EIDL grant. A lot of people, got it, and a lot of people weren't really set up and ready for it, and a lot of people reached out to us to, build their business, What the heck is that sound? Okay, let me exit out of that. But yeah, so a lot of people were skipping around trying to get their ducks in a row with the EIDL grant. They didn't necessarily have their records in order. So we made it a goal last week to reach out to 25 people and help out 25 people secure the EIDL grant legally. So how to secure the EIDL grant legally is kind of, you guys want to visit my website at dudleyaccountingservices.com. I have a whole video explaining that. We went over the video last week, and I won't play it again for you guys, but this is just my website. So you guys can check me out at dudleyaccountingservices.com. Here's a video on the EIDL grant. If you don't have your papers in order, here's what we specialize in Dudley Accounting Services, right? So we have advisory, so there's business formations. So just advising you on the different things about business and what you need to have in place so you can avoid the tax snowball. Because there is a tax snowball that happens when you start a business. You accumulate all this money. Say if you make $100 grand in a year and you don't pay any taxes on that, right? And then towards the end of the year, they say, hey, you owe $30,000 in taxes. Where are you going to get that money from? So what we do is we make quarterly estimated payments throughout the year, so you can have, you can rest assured come tax time that you have enough money paid to the IRS to cover your tax liability when it comes due. So it's a tax snowball you got to be really aware of when you start businesses. It's a benefit, but it's also a liability that you have to be aware of. But a lot of people receive the EIDL grant and they didn't know how to spend it because the grant is supposed to be spent on operational expenses only. So if you guys got that and you guys need help, with your business formation and everything, getting your ducks in a row, getting your profit and loss statement, reach out to us at dudleyaccountingservices.com. We handle general accounting. We get your books together and everything. And also, we actually offer tax planning for larger entities and tax preparation during tax season. We had a pretty long tax season this year, guys. Thanks to good old, the pandemic. But who do we service? We mainly service real estate investors and real estate professionals because they really benefit from the tax law. So we really love the tax code when it comes to real estate investors. But small business organizations, self-employed gig workers, Uber drivers, and also what we're adding on now, you can check it on our website, is TikTok creators and artists. So TikTok is becoming a thing. If they don't ban the thing, like I said, you guys see my Instagram. So if they do go ahead and ban TikTok, go ahead and add me on Instagram at Dudley DoRight365. But yeah, so, a lot of TikTok creators are getting, savvy with selling different products or their online courses and stuff like that. So they need to learn how to accrue for all these sales that they're making because, again, they're trying to avoid that tax snowball in the end. They're trying to make those quarterly estimated payments. They're going to have their business checking account separate from their personal, and they're going to do it the right way. They're going to make our accounting job so much easier, and we thank people who do that. So just moving right along, let's see. For those people who got the EIDL grant, so here's a little thing that I looked up. So if you are worried, like I got this grant, like I don't know, how they filled it out. We had several calls like that where people were calling in saying like, I don't know who filled it out for me. I don't know what they put down. I'm kind of nervous. I got this 10 grand sitting in my bank account. Really don't know what to do with it. And the best thing that I would advise you guys to do with it is operate your business with it. Time is going to pass until they figure out what the hell they're going to do. The SBA already went behind people's back and, bamboozled the law, and it went all crazy. So it's a lot of moving pieces out there. But if you have 10 grand sitting in your bank account and you have a up and running like business, go ahead and use it toward your business. You can buy your laptop, you can buy your Canon camera if you want. As long as it's ordinary and necessary for the operation of your business, you can use the 10,000 grant for it. And that's what we do. But in order to use the $10,000 of grant money, you want that money to come out of a business checking account. So it's easier for me and easier for you to recognize from your personal income. So we do all of that. So reach out to us ASAP to get your business set up, your entity set up. That's what I live for. That's what I went to college for. I knew there was a need for my service between the wealthy and the people who were dreaming. They wanted to be wealthy, but they didn't know how to keep records. They didn't know, the accounting measures and stuff. So I'm here to, be used as a resource. But they say your business must have been in operations before January 31st, 2020. So the grants are available to the end of the year, December 16th. But as you guys know, there's a hold on the grants right now. But what we're charging people to do is go ahead and still get on the SBA website, fill out your application in its entirety. And if you guys need help filling out those figures for the income and the expenses, definitely reach out to us and we can help you guys out. Like I said, on our website, we offer 30 minutes free consultation. So that's easy peasy. So hit us up so we can be of service to you guys. So we want you guys to, go out, spend that money and build your businesses, because that's what America needs right now. A lot of people made a lot of money lately. So this is our YouTube channel. We're just going to go through. So go check out my YouTube channel and see what I got going on. It's a fairly new YouTube channel. It's been up for like a month. We got 30 subscribers. Look at that bad boy. Woo! We got 30 subscribers, baby. Click that like and subscribe button if you didn't. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. Support your brother and click that thumbs up button for the algorithm. Every famous YouTuber says that. Ain't you tired of hearing that? Every time you watch a YouTube video, hit that like and subscribe button. So the YouTube algorithm. But I guess I'm just joining the party, right? I'm just doing what everybody else is doing anyway. That's kind of like how you get people to, do it. So go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Here's my YouTube channel. We really focus on real estate. So we go ahead and check us out. We got a couple of videos on here for the PPP loan. And then getting that completely forgiven. So you have to have 3 levels of documents for the PPP loan to get that forgiven. That should be easy peasy for you guys. So go ahead and check out our videos for that. The deadline for the PPP loan, if you still need it for your payroll, is going to be on the 8th. So we got 6 days. You got 6 days until there's no more PPP. So we got 6 days. If you guys need help with that, reach out to us. But we really focus on helping individuals out with this EIDL loan and getting that cleared up. And it's a joy. Like I run into and I appreciate you guys. I love you guys for it. If you guys are watching this, but I love you guys, and I hope more clients come my way needing our services, because boy, you guys are our joy. You guys are the reason why I do what I do. Let's see. Did I stop sharing my screen? Okay. I think I did stop sharing my screen. So we're just gonna go down our agenda here. But legally securing the EIDL grant money is going to be an easy task if you have an operating business. But if you were an operating business, or you had your business before January 31st, 2020, and you didn't have anything set up, you didn't quite know what you want to do. We get a lot of people who got the money and they don't really know what to do yet. Reach out to us and we can get you set up and kind of give you a little background of financial literacy, a little bit about income statements and like balance sheets, because you do have to keep a yearly financial statements now that you have a business. So we want to get you used to that. It's pretty easy once you hire an accountant to do it. A lot of people try to do stuff on their own, which they tend to have a job to do. They're a technician, and then they're also trying to learn accounting and tax law, which is crazy. So get a professional to do it, and trust people. Learn how to go out there and trust people. And just raise your hand, ask for help, guys. I needed a lot of help with a lot of things that I was doing, at first, and I'm still not perfect, So you want to legally secure the EIDL money. Don't get audited, guys. Like, If you get audited, that's what they're going to be looking for. They're going to be looking for those business checking accounts, where the money went, what you spent the money on, and the only thing you're supposed to use the money on is operational expenses. So for people that qualify for the EIDL loan was people who had an LLC set up or a business set up, sell products or services to the general public, had a business checking account, an EIN number attached to their social. So again, like reach out to us for help. Shoot me a PM, like shoot me a message right now if you guys need help, or you can text me at 708-264-6686, and I will be available. So we got our plans for the week for Dudley Accounting Services. Our plans for the week, we're going to help 50 people. We already helped 21. So last week we had 25 people we sought out to help with the EIDL grant money and getting that secured and getting their act in order. So we have helped 21 people out of 25. So that leaves us 29 to get to 50. So we got 29 more to go. So reach out to us so we can help you get your ducks in a row, guys. So we're gonna do that. Reach out to us at Dudley Accounting Services. Go ahead and click that book. You book your appointment on our website ASAP. And also a plan for the week, we are hiring an accounting manager. So you have to have an accounting background. We're still kind of like laying out the groundwork for this. We're not advertising it too much. We're just kind of telling it on our channel as we kind of do these Sunday fun days. So people who are watching this and are engaged with what we're doing, they can actually be a part of it and actually make some money. Because we have a lot of people out there who need some inspiration and need some job, need stuff to do, and a lot of people who out there who are born leaders. We are looking for born leaders who are willing to take a risk and like do things that they never done before, and talk to people they never done before, just live basically. But this accounting manager we're looking to hire has to have a background in accounting, so an accounting degree is required. Has to be self-driven, self-motivated, excellent communicator, and QuickBooks experience. QuickBooks is what we use to do all our bookkeeping, so you have to have just a basic level of QuickBooks experience, and also you have to be teachable. Definitely be teachable and must have a computer, must have a laptop to do this kind of work in the accounting world. And trust me, you will like it. So you work remotely from home. There's no like office or anything, but you can inbox me, PM me right now, or send me a text at 708-264-6686. So the deadline for the PPP, like I said, is August the 8th, 6 days for that. Second stimulus check, I kind of really don't want to talk about that, but basically it's the same old, guys. I'm kind of mad at it about, myself, me being a business owner who only received $1,000, from the EIDL, and I'm supposed to receive $10,000. Then on top of that, you got the EIDL. Then on top of that, you have the stimulus check. Well, that's, everybody's just don't really have an answer. People making YouTube, videos about it. But you click on the video and you realize slowly but surely they don't have an answer to when the hell this stimulus check is actually coming. So again, it's just a recap with me. Go ahead and click that link below. I'll put the link below for the SBA website. If you want to go ahead and get yourself in the queue for the EIDL loan and the grant, I'll put that in the description below. And also I put you see my website. Visit me at dudleyaccountingservices.com and we can get you service. Let's see if I'm still sharing my screen, guys. I'd be so eager to like share my screen, but I haven't got like the transition like down and like right, like earlier I had it right, but it's all good. But that's all. I'm gonna leave it to it. I was gonna make my video less than 10 minutes, so hopefully I did that. Again, like and subscribe, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week, family. Thank you. Peace.